Now that we've cut our tomatoes and our feta, we're going to dump them in here with our rice. I want to be especially careful with the feta to make sure that that gets distributed evenly. Give this a stir. You can see the feta is starting to break down. It won't break down all the way, but we don't really want it to. All right, we're going to let that sit, and then we'll come back and grab our plate. And we'll pull our veggies from the back. Give these a nice little stir. Come back for our chicken. The sauce is thickened up. For that, give a little stir and then dump more of that sauce right here over the top. Now we'll give our rice a final stir. Give a nice scoop with some feta, tomatoes, and spinach. And here we are, chicken Gorky with our feta, spinach, tomato rice, and our roasted 8-spice vegetables.